Welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to tell you about two things. First thing is how to know your actual model number of your phone, what is being told to you and what your phone is actually, what the model number of your phone is actual, that can be verified by that code. And the second thing I want to tell you how to know the IMEI number of your mobile phone. So not wasting much of your time, before proceeding further I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. So let us straight go to the first one, that is how to know your model number. Star has 1 2 3 4 and hash. As soon as you will dial hash, it will jump into another window, and here in the bottom you can see the model number, that is SM-A315FTS. So this is the first one, how to know your model number, and this can be verified by going into the setting and about phone. Here also you can verify that model number. And the second one, how to see the IMEI number. As soon as you will dial *#06 and after that you will press hash. As soon as you will press hash, it will straight show the IMEI number. So now I will tell you the two things, that is first, for model number, star has 1 2 3 4 hash, that is model number, and the second IMEI number, that is star hash 06 hash. So these are the two codes I wanted to tell you in this. So this is all about now I will decrease the brightness. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and please share it on social media platform so that your friends can also be get benefited. Thank you very much guys.